Welcome back to the channel. In the last episode, we checked out the legend of Gelert the dog. If it's true. Who knows? What do you think?
Yeah, it's true.
Suzanne found a plaque that she'd been looking for in beddgelert. We visited the white waters of the River Colwyn that runs alongside the road between beddgelert and Porthmadog. And I visited beddgelert railway station with its beautiful scenery. But let me just take you round some of the scenery from this station. Absolutely beautiful. In this episode, we go to Portmeirion, which was built by Welsh architect Sir Clough Williams-Ellis between 1883 and 1978 to show how a beautiful site could be developed without spoiling it. Really loaded up because we're on our way to, where are we going?
Portmeirion?
Portmeirion, yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll see you when we get there. Once you get off of the main road, it's quite a long drive through the narrow lanes up to the car park, but it is very pretty.
No. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed.
Right, so we've arrived at Portmeirion, Suzanne.
Yeah.
And what do we know about it? Except from back in the 60s when I used to watch the TV series The Prisoner, which you don't remember, do you?
I remember the name, but I don't remember much about it. Over 200,000 visitors every year.
202 now. Right, let's go and take a look. Seniors, do you think that's us, Suzanne? $13.50 each.
We pay that side.
Just here, I think. We paid our entry fee, so let's go and take a look. I want to find Patrick McGowan.
Two seniors, please. Card.
Are you getting orientated?
No, I can't read maps. I'm only reading what these are saying.
Whereabouts are we there? Is this it? Way in it. No, it must be here. Yeah.
Even that.
I'd always wanted to visit this place because of the memories of the late 60s when I used to watch Patrick McGowan as the prisoner in the TV series. Yeah, here we are. 1928 to 2009. I'll have to show you a bit of the series a bit later on.
I'll watch it.
See
I
if
do
you can-
remember the name.
Yeah. There's people everywhere, isn't there?
Yeah.
So I wonder if it's just random ideas he had. I'll have to read up on that. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, and just viewing places for people to go up and view.
Yeah, but look, that's a random piece of rock. So he built that. Yeah, he seems to have designed and built all of these unusual things, doesn't he? To, like there, for example, look, that piece of rock sticking out there. So whatever that is, I have to get up there at some point and have a look at it. But he seems to have utilised all of the landscape and just built whatever fits, like that. I wasn't as overwhelmed as I thought it would be, and I actually felt like I'd been here before. But I guess it's because I've watched so much of it on YouTube. Portmeirion is owned by a registered charity called the Clough Williams-Ellis Foundation. Portmeirion cannot be bought or sold. All its buildings have listed building status and the grounds are a designated conservation area. There is lots to see and it covers quite an area, so after all that walking, we're going to go and get something to drink. So we came here, go in, order a coffee, sit down and drink it.
And I've got a rocking chair to drink mine from.
It's because you're on the downhill. You sure you haven't got some high pebbles behind you or something?
I'm all right.
They're quite unusual chairs really though, aren't they?
Table chairs.
That looks lovely.
Does
Go and
it?
Look at that. So I guess I need to look at the map now to find out where that is. So, what was The Prisoner? It was one of the most enigmatic and fascinating series ever produced for television, and I loved it. What about you? Did you watch it? Let us know in the comments below. Once we'd had our coffee, we walked a bit further down the hill, and in front of this old building, which looks as if it was probably the old town hall, was a bride getting some photographs taken. But in fact now, it's the public toilets. There's a beautiful view as we continue down the hill towards the hotel, which is just coming into shot on the right hand side. Portmeirion has 58 hotel rooms, 14 in the Hotel Portmeirion on the shore, 13 village rooms and suites, and 11 at Snowdonia. We left the hotel, which is here, and went back up the hill towards the village. I wanted to get a better view from up high, so I went to the viewing platform, but be warned, it's extremely steep.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good in bed, I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me. Stuck in repeat, stop lying. I know you're playing your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. How could I know? If you don't need me, just let me know when I go.
Well, that's it for this one. Join us next time when we go to Carnarvon and then we cross the bridge onto Anglesey to see the village with the longest place name. And why don't you consider subscribing and ringing that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload future episodes. Anyway, thank you for watching and we'll see you soon.
The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment.
We're Paul and Suzanne and we'd love you to join us on our days out.